Hello, and thanks for joining us. Today's video will cover the installation of the DIG Anti-Siphon valve. DIG Anti-Siphon valves are available in two sizes, 3/4 inch and 1 inch. They are also available in 5 different configurations, with DC solenoid only, the 710A single station controller, with a RBC battery powered controller, with an Eco 1 or Light 1 solar powered controller, or with the 410BT Bluetooth controller. Here are the anti-siphon valve key features. The flow control knob, especially useful for sprinkler system adjustment. Turning the knob clockwise will decrease the flow. Counterclockwise will increase the flow. The external bleed screw. The screw can be turned counterclockwise to flush out the valve and open the valve manually. Turn the screw clockwise until it stops to close the valve. The DC solenoid can also be turned by hand to open and close the valve manually. Turn it half a turn counterclockwise to open and clockwise until finger tight to close. The backflow preventer stops water from being pulled backwards into the main water supply line. Required materials. To complete this installation, you will need 2 3/4 inch or 1 inch PVC valve adapters, Teflon tape, PVC glue, and a large pair of channel lock pliers. DIG recommends that a manual shutoff valve be installed on the main line upstream of the anti-siphon valve. This will expedite installation and any future repairs or service to the valve. Preparing the manual valve. The first step is to locate and close the water supply valve. Apply 4 to 6 layers of Teflon tape to the PVC male adapters or filter threads. Wrap the tape tightly in a clockwise direction around the male threads. Turn the adapters clockwise into the valve inlet and outlet by hand. Tighten the adapters with a wrench, but do not over-tighten. Verify that the valve location is optimal and the height is at least 6 inches above the highest head on the system. Glue the valve inlet male adapter onto the mainline standpipe by applying PVC cement. Allow the cement to cure for the required time period before opening the water supply valve. Open the water supply valve and make sure the anti-siphon valve opens and closes under pressure. It is normal for the water to flow through the valve momentarily until the static pressure increases. To verify proper operation and adjust the flow rate, open the valve by turning the solenoid 1/2 turn counterclockwise. Then, if necessary, adjust the flow rate by turning the flow control knob. Turning the knob clockwise will decrease the flow. Counterclockwise will increase the flow. Now, close the valve by turning the solenoid clockwise and make sure the water stops flowing through. Check the PVC adapters and solenoid to verify that no external leaks are present. After programming, the timer will now automatically open and close the valve according to the programmed schedule. To view more installation and programming videos, the owner's manual, or to learn about any of our other water conservation products, please visit digcorp.com. Thanks for watching.